In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove filler words in Descript. Filler words like and you know can make your audio sound less polished and distract your audience. By following these steps, you'll be able to clean up your recordings efficiently using Descript. First, open up your web browser and head over to Descript. Simply navigate to your preferred search engine or type in the URL directly if you have it saved. Descript is an intuitive tool that combines audio and text editing, making it perfect for tasks like this. Once you've accessed Descript, it's time to log into your account. If you're prompted, simply click on your account to access your dashboard. Here you'll see your recent projects or the option to start a new one if needed. It's always handy to save your projects regularly, so keep that in mind as we proceed. Now let's focus on your audio project. If you don't have an existing project you'd like to work on, you can create a new one. Either way, click on your desired project to open it. This will direct you to the main editing interface. With your project open, locate and click on the AI Tools option. Descript has some fantastic automation tools, and we're going to utilize these to streamline our process of removing unwanted filler words. Moving forward, within the AI Tools section, find and select the option that says Remove Filler Words. This tool is designed to automatically detect those pesky fillers that can clutter your audio. By relying on Descript's smart algorithm, this feature makes it easy to identify and get rid of those unnecessary interruptions. Next, you'll want to click on Find All Filler Words. By doing this, Descript scans your entire project and identifies every instance where filler words occur. You'll be presented with a list, allowing you to see exactly where these fillers are in your transcript and audio files. Finally, a prompt will appear, asking if you'd like to proceed with the removal of the filler words. Simply click OK to confirm. Descript will then go ahead and clean up your audio, giving you a more professional and seamless final product. And that's it. Your audio is now free from filler words, sounding clearer and more engaging for your audience. Removing fillers not only enhances the quality of what you're presenting, but also keeps your listeners' attention focused on your message. Thanks for watching and have a great time working on your next polished audio project with Descript.